Hi everybody, I just wanted to walk you through the Canvas course shell pretty quickly to get you acclimated with it in case you're not familiar. The very first tab you should find whenever you click on the course on your dashboard is the Home tab. And at the Home tab is where each of the modules for each week of the course will be listed. The first module is related to course resources, so the course syllabus, the link to view the Zoom meetings, course meetings, as well as to access office hours virtually is right here. Oporto is a resource provided by Agnes Scott to allow students to apologize for that issue with the link. But essentially, Oporto is a kind of a gateway to accessing things like SPSS and other types of software that you may need for your studies. There is also an Oporto FAQ document available for you. It's on a Google Sheet that's supported by Agnes Scott's IT office. So if you have any questions about Oporto, please feel free to peruse this. I'm not an expert in Oporto, but I'm happy to help you if you need any help by making sure we get you set up with what you need. Also, Zotero is a resource that allows you to basically keep track of sources when you're writing scholarly papers. So there's also a resource on Zotero provided by the library. And so that may or may not load in the few seconds that I'm going to be on this page, but it's here for you as well. So be sure to check it out. Doesn't look like it, so we'll just head back. I ask everyone to do an introductory survey. That just helps me better understand kind of how, where you're coming from in terms of your knowledge and skills and your previous work in this field, as well as how you like to learn. So learning styles are different for everybody. So one quick question about learning styles, and then familiarity with Excel, IBM, SPSS, the topic of research methods, data analysis, qualitative and quantitative, and then data visualization. So please complete that survey if you haven't done so already. And then finally, each week will be your assignments, your discussion topics, as well as any resources, files that I would like to share to help you in that week's learning. And so, as well as any kind of recordings like this recording will actually be placed once it's complete in the course resources section. There's also navigation to specific areas for assignments or discussions. Discussions are also duplicated in assignments just to make sure they're all in one place. If you want to check your grades, the grades option has that ability. If you want to see others in the class, we're all right here. The syllabus is also under the syllabus tab. So it can be downloaded here under this link. And then of course, all of the modules, again, are under the modules tab. With that, if you have any questions, feel free to ask either in class or during office hours. I'm happy to answer anything that may be helpful.